Where'd that come?
I'm not sure.
This is my first attendance at the White Lake
Don't
car
put
show.
that on fucking YouTube or iTube. Or...
Don't be doing it. Well, I won't camera you anymore.
I like that 69 Camaro that left. That was a nice car.
Who had that?
Some last from Quebec there. I think the two brothers had the 68 and the 69.
Yeah?
Well, they just left. You were talking to them.
They're from
the darker blue one, that's 69.
They're from Quebec, he said.
Yeah.
That's the one I want. That's the part of information I was wondering about, sir. I said, oh.
I think they're cousins of Brian.
Okay. Oh, you're quick to jump.
Maybe everybody was relatives from Quebec.
Quebec.
No, I see.
La Belle Province.
No, I said no, I see.
Yeah, we've got their car show going on here. Oh, girls.
Get a picture of that beautiful Equinox out there. It's classic.
I will. Everything here.
The hood later.
Everything here is classic. There's a car sitting over here. Mr. Blue Roads might want to take a look at this video. 1955 Cadillac. Look at that car here at the White Lake Car Show. I'm here to tell you that there is one fine chunk of automobile. Yes, sirree. Yep. She's long, she's straight as a die. Looky here now, looky. Look at that. Looky here, yep. Hey, something you'd like to run around on the roads with? You got your marker, you're passing your courtesy lights up there, and oh my God, it's beautiful in here. Super OV10's impressed. Power windows. Lovely chrome. They do not make them like that anymore. Gentlemen. Yeah. That's your basic Coupe de Ville. Yes, sir. Fine automobile. When cars had fins. I think I'm going to have a tear in my eye. Looky here. Get your spare tire and your four-way and trunk.
Pretty nice old car, eh?
Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful car.
Morris
built
that car, basically.
He built the car?
Well, it was,
Brian Fraser, White Lake resident. Making a little movie there. There's a few people out in the world that need to see a car like that. Back when cars had fins. Yeah. She's nice. Yeah. Lovely paint. Interior. Yeah. Man, that's a big quarter panel. Hey? The skirts. She's got personality, that car.
Oh.
Bumper on it. Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, I think the front bumper looks like Dolly Parton.
The front bumper is Dolly Parton. Yeah. Or a close copy of. Yeah. Impressive.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Back when cars had personality. And you got your straight 8 in there, your Hudson. Look at that, boys. Hudson. straight 8. Big horn. Up there's a chunk of cast iron. Might be cast iron. Missing the end there, but yeah, nice chart. Cadillac, Hudson. Here's your 56 Buick. Another beautiful car. Talk about, yeah, Dolly Parton. 1956. Buick Century from Los Angeles. Of course, got your three holes on either fender there, your exhaust ports. Spaceship is really what it is. Spaceship. There you go. Quick look around in here. I don't know how much time I have left on this camera. And the back end is got your exhaust out there, your back bumper, huge. Trunk. Hubcaps. Then we got some muscle over here. We got your 1970 Plymouth Barracuda 440. So 70,000 original miles on this car. Local boy owns this car. Bought it brand new. Beats it down the quarter mile at the local racetrack every weekend. Drives over there. Runs 12s all day and then drives her home. Yeah, I've looked underneath this car before. It has, still has the black paint on the brake lines and everything underneath. Beautiful, beautiful 70 Cuda, big block car. Yeah, he drives her like it's stolen. I think I'm getting a cold. But anyway, yeah, we got the Milner coupe here, of course, too. Everybody's seen that before. And this is the first time for me to come here. Thought it was going to rain all day, but it cleared up enough, so I made an appearance. And just a local boy, he started out 15 so years ago. He said we're going to have a car show on my lawn. And because of the rain today, a lot of people didn't show up, but normally there's 20 or 30 cars here. And just a good time, had by all. And yeah, so we'll get this up on YouTube. Everybody can have a look and see what's going on with some Canadian classic automobiles here. So that is one fine Cadillac, I must say. And on that note, Super OV10 says, bye now.